Hi everybody, Mobile Food Pantry Day, and I have a surprise for Emma. She's right here, and we are going to stop the video after I show you the little tiny bit that I got at the Mobile Food Pantry. But, I'm so excited to give this to her, and it's something really, quote, dumb, but I saw it on a Flavor Hive truck video. If you've never watched Flavor Hive, they have bring your own bag of chips, and they fill it up with the stuff that they make on the Flavor Hive truck. It looks so good. If you're in Virginia, I think it is. Virginia near wherever it is. I don't even know where it is in Virginia. But Alexandria, Virginia. If you're near there, check out the Flavor Hive truck and tell me what you think of it. Send me a little video, something. I don't know. It would be so cool. Because I want to go there someday. I do. Someday I'm going to have the money to go there. I am. Because I trust that you all, my followers, will support me enough that I will start making something good on this every single day. And eventually I will be able to come visit every place that I want to go. So, anyway. Food pantry haul. 4 great looking zucchinis. Guess what? I see zucchini hummus in my future. I love zucchini hummus now that I've tried it and made it, and I love it. And it's on one of my videos, so check out that video because you've got to do a summer zucchini hummus. It is so good. Yum! And lower calorie than the beans. We have some nectarines. Those look pretty good. I want to make an applesauce and put some nectarines in it, and I'm going to use my Instapot to do that. So I'll show you guys that video eventually too when I decide to make it. We got some artisanal bakery buns, hamburger buns, because we are going to have cheeseburgers for supper. Yum! And tomatoes can go on the cheeseburgers. And then I want to make a coleslaw. I don't know if I'll make the coleslaw today to go with the burgers. I probably won't because I think we're having potatoes baked up in the oven in little cubes things. Covered with seasonings. That's what we're doing for supper. Oh, I'm so excited about that. And look, here's Emma's present. Here it is. Woo-hoo! So we're going to stop the video. We're both going to get in the video and we're going to show you Emma's present. I'm so excited. Okay, we're back. Here's Emma. See her? Isn't she beautiful? Yeah. My kids have no self-esteem issues. Both of them think they are God's gift to the world. And really, they're God's gift to my world. They really are. I love my kids. So, I had to stop at Tractor Supply to get these. I know, weird going to Tractor Supply for something to eat. And I told them they're melting her mouth.
Oh my gosh, what are these?
She's so excited. What are they?
Barbecue rub cheese puffs.
She loves cheese puffs. If you haven't watched... See, she can't even wait. If you haven't watched me and Emma loves cheese puffs. And see, I had to get 2 bags. What do you think, Boo? Yeah, but what are they? They are called Low and Slow.
Those are good.
Real wood, real smoke, hickory smoked barbecue rub cheese puffs. That's what these are. And they have a jalapeno version too for those of you who like it hot and spicy.
These are really good.
These are really good, aren't they? Now, Cheetos. I'm putting it out there to you because I tell you what. If these people get really big, I'm sorry, Cheetos, they're going to outshine you.
They may never outshine my chested cheetah.
No, I'm sorry. These are so soft. Melt in your mouth.
Same with the other cheese puff things, but Chester Cheetah will always have a special place in my heart.
That's fine, but come on, you gotta melt
They are really good.
in your mouth softness.
Yeah.
Have you gotten a grainy one since you started eating?
Mm-mm.
They are not grainy. I was only able to get these at Tractor Supply. So check your Tractor Supply if you don't have them anywhere else closer to you. But you have got to check these out. Low and Slow. The first ever smoked puffs. They also have regular chips too that are the same flavor and the same jalapeno flavor. I didn't get the jalapeno. We don't do big spicy here. We just don't. You need these in your life. If you are a cheese puff lover, go out and get these. I know $5.99 a bag seems wrong. But oh my heaven. See, Emma hasn't even stopped eating long enough to talk to y'all.
They're really good.
I knew she would be happy with me. There we go. For a second, my phone froze. I knew she would be happy with me. You need these. You need these in your life, don't they, Emma?
Oh, yeah, you do.
They have to have them.
They're so good.
Cheetos.
If Chester Cheeto gave me
Challenge
one of these.
thrown. Because I tell you what, if you can make them as soft and as ungrainy as these are, oh my goodness. They would sell like hotcakes. And smoked. Make them smoked. They're so good.
They're really good.
These are not hot and spicy. Do not make everything hot and spicy. Not all of us want hot and spicy. They're so good. We want smoked. We want smoked barbecue flavor. These are so good. These are so good. Even I am not a big Cheetos person. I am not. But these, yeah. So good. All right, everybody. Seems how Emma is going to talk.
Yeah,
She's
so
eating. I'm going to go,
I'm
and we will
bacon-y.
see you on the next video. And have a great, super wonderful, fantastic day.